Kawasaki Ninja 400 are best first motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling promises adventure, freedom, and an unmatched connection with the open road. For beginners stepping into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is of paramount importance. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R, with its blend of accessible power, sporty aesthetics, and rider-friendly attributes, stands out as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, dynamic design, and beginner-focused features, the Ninja 400R offers a perfect platform for beginners to delve into the world of sport riding and embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 400R lies a refined 399cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the exhilaration of sport riding with confidence. Sporty design and aggressive aesthetics. The Ninja 400R boasts a sporty and aggressive design that captures the essence of Kawasaki's sport bike heritage. Its sleek lines, aerodynamic form, and dynamic styling elements embody the sport-oriented aesthetics that ignite the passion of sport riding enthusiasts. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the spirited essence that defines the Ninja 400R. Ergonomics and rider-centric comfort. Designed for rider comfort, the Ninja 400R offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and extended journeys. The slightly lean-forward posture, appropriately positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall experience. Agile handling and nimble maneuverability. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R is celebrated for its agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for novice sport riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate sharp turns, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety takes precedence, especially for beginner riders. The Ninja 400R is equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's sport-oriented performance. Urban commuting and spirited rides. The Ninja 400R's versatility extends beyond spirited rides on open roads. Beginners can seamlessly transition between city commutes and embracing the excitement of sport riding, all while enjoying the motorcycle's dynamic and exhilarating performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand form a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Ninja 400R's performance-driven attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R isn't merely a starting point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its sporty performance, aggressive design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninja 400R as they evolve from novices to experienced sport enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R embodies Kawasaki's dedication to delivering an accessible and sport-oriented introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, dynamic design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 400R provides an immersive gateway to the excitement of sport riding. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 400R, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for speed, agility, and the thrill of conquering the open road on two wheels.